Cortech USA specializes in the design and manufacturing of highly durable, rotationally molded behavioral health furnishings. Our products have been installed in more than 2,000 healthcare and justice facilities across the United States. Our goal is to incorporate thoughtful aesthetics with industry safety standards to produce furnishings that are not only comfortable, colorful, and home-like, but also durable, easy to clean, and ligature resistant. Our products are made from rotationally molded, high-impact polyethylene. The one-piece construction of every product is extremely robust and virtually indestructible. Our furniture designs blend safety and well-being to facilitate rehabilitative environments that are safe for both residents and staff. Our products are ligature-resistant, manufactured with smooth, rounded edges. They can be ballasted with added weight or bolted in place for increased safety. They are easy to clean and infused with an antimicrobial compound for increased sanitation between cleanings. GreenGuard Gold certified for low VOC emissions for healthier indoor environments. They are also flame retardant and UV stabilized. Colors can also be customized. The Cortech team, our product development skills, and our ability to deliver products quickly set us apart from our competitors. We are problem solvers, innovators, product developers, and manufacturing leaders. We pride ourselves on our customer service skills and attention to our clients' individual needs. Our commitment to our customers goes unmatched.